In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Paths tool in GIMP. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so don't worry if you're new to this. We'll go through everything step by step. With the Paths tool, you'll be able to create precise and adjustable paths for your graphic design projects, making it an incredibly valuable skill for editing and creating images. Firstly, you'll want to start off by launching GIMP on your computer. Once GIMP is open, you can locate the Paths tool in the Toolbox, which is usually on the left side of your screen. It looks like a pen or a fountain pen icon. If you don't see the Toolbox, navigate to the top menu and click on Windows, then Dockable Dialogs, and finally Toolbox to make it appear. Selecting the Paths tool is as simple as clicking on this icon in the Toolbox, and you'll be ready to start creating paths in your project. With the Paths tool selected, you can begin to create anchor points. Simply click anywhere on your canvas to place an anchor point. Each time you click, you'll add a new point, and GIMP will automatically connect these points with straight lines. These lines are also known as segments. Anchor points are crucial because they allow you to define the path's shape and direction. Take your time while placing them, as a precise placement will make your path smoother and easier to manipulate. Now, let's add some curves to your path to make it more dynamic. Click and drag the mouse at any anchor point to reveal handles. These handles control the curvature of the line segment connected to the anchor point. By moving these handles, you can adjust the curve to your liking. If you're aiming for a smooth curve, try placing your points at longer intervals and adjusting the handles more subtly. The key here is experimentation. Don't be afraid to click and drag those handles a little to see what works best for your desired outcome. Once you're satisfied with your path and its curves, it's time to make it part of your project by converting the path into a selection or stroking it. Converting a path into a selection allows you to apply various effects or edits within the selected area. Simply go to the Select menu at the top and choose from Path. This will transform your path into a selection that you can paint over, fill with color, or adjust in many other ways. Alternatively, if you'd like to stroke the path, giving it an outlined effect, go to the Edit menu and select Stroke Path. This will apply a stroke using the current brush settings, allowing you to customize your design further. And that's it. You're now equipped with the essential skills to use the Paths tool in GIMP. With this knowledge, you can create detailed and precise designs and illustrations. Thank you for watching this beginner's tutorial, and happy designing.